So this initial question was a little bit different. You've already seen CO2, but you haven't seen CO. So I wanted to do them together, just so that you could end this week really comparing two very important polar and nonpolar molecules. So CO2 and CO were those two questions. So make sure you keep track of this in your notes, and this one's going to become very, very important in this weekend's quiz as well. So when you do the Lewis structure for CO2, you get four bonds, okay? And there's no lone pairs here, so it's linear. And when you look at the polarity, we have a dipole arrow in this direction because O pulls harder, and a dipole arrow in this direction. But those are going to cancel out, so this molecule is going to be non-polar, and we are not going to show the charges on here. Okay, but let's do CO. This is carbon monoxide. When you do want minus half divided by 2, you get 3 bonds here. Oops, it's not there like that. And O pulls harder on the electrons. Okay, so there is no other arrow canceling this out. So this molecule is polar. These electrons are aggregated over on this side. Okay. Now, the thing you're going to be really asked to challenge to think about in this weekend's quiz, and it's also going to be the focus of next week, is, okay, what is the implication of having a molecule whose charges are visible? Because remember, we never have more than, we never just have one molecule. We have moles and moles and moles and moles and moles and moles of them. So, for example, if you have a bunch of CO2s together, which you always have, okay, and you have a bunch of COs together, which you will always have, okay, these CO2s do not have visible charges, okay, so there's going to be very limited attraction between these CO2s. They're not really going to see each other. But these COs have visible charges, so there's going to be this, boom, attraction towards one another between the positive and negative. And I'm being really cryptic here because I want to see what you think about that, and we're going to focus on it next week. Take care.